The Ukrainian drone army keeps hammering Russian logistics, taking out massive amounts of supply vehicles, as each vehicle lost for Russia leaves deliveries missed, reducing defensive and offensive capability, as Russia has built their logistical supply on railway. When they can't rely on this, they struggle to adapt, as Ukrainian drone can take out one after another of Russia's supply trucks, slowly reducing Russia's ability to conduct larger troop maneuvers, taking out more Russian equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.